Hey, here's Eldridge, back to fishing again. There's his mother right there. We're at the lake for fishing. Cast it in. Good job, good cast. Have a seat. And then we wait and see if there's a fish. They love bread. And we also have corn. See? Corn. And we also have Wonder Classic dinner rolls. Remember, keep your line tight and your rod down. Okay, that's a spot. Keep it right there. And then we wait. Just wait patiently for what seems like days and days. And then once the bobber starts to move, yank it in. When you're fishing, you need to exercise extreme patience.
Video.
Yeah, that's a perfect spot. You caught a stick. Good job.
At least it's a species.
A stick, that doesn't count. All right, that's a good spot. Just leave it there. Oh, that's it. That's it. You got one. Bring it in. You got one. Get closer to the shore. Get closer to the shore. Get closer to the shore. Hold on. Hold on. Quit. Let me make this tighter. Okay. Here, just quit reeling. It's not going to reel anymore.
Ooh, that's a huge one.
Yeah.
It's a carp though.
Good job. No, this is a catfish.
This is a
Good
catfish.
job. Lift him up for a picture. Okay, good job.